what's going on. I am heading by a different hair color because I'm gonna do some shadow roots. In case you don't know, shadow roots is just blending a darker root here towards my hair down. It's way too blonde, but it's like a boring altogether blonde. I don't want that. Something very, it's gonna blend a little bit and that's gonna be it. It's not gonna be brassy, it's not gonna be orange. So this is what I'm doing today. It's around 7 o'clock in the morning. No, 7:30. I had my breakfast and I'm heading to buy the dye and shampoo. I'm gonna try to find a no yellow brass shampoo. I already have the purple shampoo. I need to try to find this other shampoo, which is, I think, Fanola. I don't know. I'm gonna try it, do the hair, and I'm gonna show you. Let's see how it goes. It's all about hair, baby. It's all about hair. See those washing machines? That's a washer and dryer. And take it closer. And it's here in the garage because mine is here, I guess. Yeah, mine is over here. And they're gonna change it because the one that I have is, how about the view? The view. The one that I have, because the one I have is eco-friendly. And that one is a normal one. The eco-friendly washer and dryer, it's cool, it's nice, but it takes about 2 or 3 hours to wash my clothes and to dry it. I hate it. I don't like it. Eco-friendly for a lot of stuff, but not for the washer and dryer. So that's been sitting there for a while because they have to call the guys to come over and take my old one and put that one in. And another thing to me yesterday was people were complaining about my cutie pie. They were saying that my cutie pie was barking and complaining and all that, and I was pretty upset. I was very upset. Letter complaining that I was being harassed because all the time they were saying that it was my baby. All of a sudden yesterday I found out it was the apartment two doors in front of me, and the dog was barking like crazy. So the manager came and she was the one that saw that, and I felt so good in a way because it wasn't my baby. It wasn't little Monty who was barking. So I had a cool day yesterday because this came out. That was great. It's like a ghost town. There's only me. I'm the only one crazy. Look at the day. The day's gorgeous. I'm the only one on the road, and there it comes another one. But this is only me. We're gonna buy hair things. This is how crazy I am about hair. Everything I need. I found this color, which is a light cool, medium ash dry shampoos. Using, I've never heard about this shampoo before. It's Fiery Sage Amber Rose. I bought the conditioner and the shampoo. The smell is something out of this world. Thank goodness I'm alone here. And then I bought the same brand. I bought the purple shampoo. Last but not least, yeah, I got this Wet n Wild stick, how do you call it? Foundation. Yeah, it's filled. My bag is filled in here with stuff. But that's gonna be it. That's all for my hair. Yeah, I said I wasn't gonna buy anything. Sorry about that, but let's get going because hair's hair. I am back, I'm back. So now it is, okay, let's see. Yeah, 8:16, I am back. And making my hubby breakfast and starting a new day.